I've been working on this painting, which is called Two Peonies, Sunny Side Up, for a couple of years now. I keep many paintings going in rotation at the same time, so this one has been in progress for a couple of years. And here in this video, you can see in real time how I go about creating it physically. And if you're interested, listen in and you can learn about how I teach and what's different about what I do and how you can benefit from it. So welcome, and thanks for joining me. You may have noticed in the last several years, maybe longer, that what you're seeing has more to do with energy than anything else. When you look at artwork, what you're responding to is an emotional connection, is a light in the work, is the quality of what it is you're looking at. Not if they got the shadow right or whatever, although that has something to do with it, but less than you would imagine. So it's more about the invisible than it is the visible that creates a fantastic painting that speaks, that sings, that calls out to people. And that is a very different kind of approach than many schools will take, okay? And it is not a social kind of approach either. It's not like a social political type of statement. It's not linear. It's a very deeply feminine way of positioning the mind and the heart. So we are in right relationship with what's in front of us, which is everything, okay? But we're focusing on a flower, and the flower brings us a certain, call it a sacred geometry, name it whatever it is that you like, because it is the thing that sings into the environment, the higher frequencies that reside on this planet. Flowers ground those frequencies in nature, and we do also, especially when we midwife them into reality, and that's what we're doing here. If you are drawn to what you see here and you feel some resonance, there are links below that you can follow to my website and learn more about what I do as a teacher. But I will just very briefly summarize here that our work together would be about the practical aspects of painting, no matter really what level you are at. And that's really important because many people stop themselves because they don't feel like they have what they would call an appropriate level of skill. And what I say is you have to come in with the passion to want to do this, to be interested, to know there's something drawing you in to do this kind of work. There's something there, and it goes beyond all the messages that say, stop, you can't, you have to have the passion, and you have to have the will and the desire to learn and to get beyond all of the self-doubts that people have. The most important thing is your desire to learn, your interest, and your love of painting, and of course, resonance with the things that you see on my website and hear me talk about. So we will focus on many of the technical aspects of creating art. And then with that, which is what is different and I feel most important, are the more esoteric spiritual aspects of what goes into the energy of the work. And that's the thing, the invisible thing that makes you want to do this in the first place. So it's the invisible that really brings you to that magical place of wanting to ground that sacred feminine into your life and into your work. And to once again learn how to play as an adult and enjoy the process of creativity and your true creative nature, which affects all aspects of your life. So it's a very exciting learning process that people come into my workshops and one-on-one programs for and experience, because it's like opening up a treasure chest. And so I invite you to explore. You're welcome to get in touch. I answer questions and I will read any comment that is placed below and welcome you to communicate. So enjoy your creative nature. And the creative nature you see in artwork everywhere. It's a very important part of self-empowerment, self-love, coming into right alignment with what animates you in life and gives you sustainable energy, basically. It's really, really fun. So I'm Leslie Montana. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you here again. Bye for now.